Check out this awesome garage door screen. Excellent material and installs within minutes. Let's get into it. Okay, let's open it up and check it out. This does come from Dreyoo. This is the 2-pack. Let's get it open here. This is a really, really nice setup to add a screen to your garage door. It's going to help keep bugs out. It's going to help keep dust out, but it is going to let air and it's going to let sunlight come through the door. So really, really cool. Really heavy duty. It has a 0.05 encrypted hole in this thing, and that's what helps keep all of the dust out. Of course, it's small enough it's not going to let mosquitoes come through. Let's get into this thing. This is the 2-pack right here. So if you've got 2 garage doors that are within those dimensions, one simple package is going to do both of those. Everything is included in each package to complete the job. You don't need any tools. You will need a rag or a washcloth, and that is just to wipe the dust free from the door frame. The manufacturer does suggest that you use a heat gun or a blow dryer when you're installing the Velcro adhesive strips to the door frame, just to kind of heat up the adhesive and get it to stick better. This is the manual, super easy. Wipe down the door frame, lay out the material, lay out your adhesive strips, pull the backing off, stick it up, and you're ready to go. Folded up inside of here is the Velcro adhesive strips. Also in this little plastic package is some thumbnails, and this is just gonna help keep the Velcro secured to the door frame. Of course, this is just Velcro to the door frame, so if you need to move this out of your way, if you're moving things in and out of the garage, you can just undo the Velcro and put it out of the way. But this also has integrated into the top these latching straps right here. So if you want to just roll this thing up and put the latches on there, right there, it'll keep it right out of your way if you got to move anything in and out of the garage, or if you just don't want to use the screen for that moment. In the center of the door, it has magnets sewn into the material. That way, if you want to go in or out, it's just going to swing open and then magnetize close right back together. And then on the bottom of the screen, it does have gravity rods, so it's going to help keep everything down to the ground. Now that's pretty much it. All you got to do is wipe down the door frame, get that clean, and start attaching the adhesive strips right to the door frame. And very simple, as per the manufacturer's instructions. Get a rag, get your favorite cleaner, go ahead and wipe down the door frame. That way the adhesive strips can stick right to this, nice and clean. Okay, here on the garage door frame, I'm going on the outside right here with the Velcro. You could put it on the inside of this frame, or you could put it here where the garage door goes up against. Mine is just a little bit too tight, so I'm not going to put it right there, but I think you could put it here, here, or here, and I'm going on the outside. I've got it started here, and I'm just going across the front of this, and then I'm just bending it in to the inside and then wrapping it straight up that frame. And you can see right there, I haven't bent it in yet, but I'm just gonna go all the way down, just like that. Just sticking it on the face here and then contouring it to that L bend right there. Now down the sides takes the smaller strip. So I'm just gonna do exactly like I did here on the top and just come all the way to the wall. And then I'm just gonna bend over anything that's kind of sticking out and just wrap it around the edge right there. I've got it started here. Just continue to pull your backing off and line it up however you would like. Now this stuff is very, very sticky. So you want to try to get it in place the first time. That way you don't have to peel it off and potentially rip any paint off. But it's very simple. Do that all the way down if you're going on the outside like this. If you're on the inside, simply stick it there. On the inside here, stick it right there. And I'm just gonna go through and press it down firmly and just wrap it around the edge just like that. Once you've got all of your Velcro around on your door frame, you want to go ahead and get a heat gun or a blow dryer and do as the manufacturer recommends and heat this up so the adhesive can stick better. And now comes the final step after getting all of the Velcro attached around the frame. It's time to start hanging the screen right to the Velcro. Okay, well there you have it. It is super easy to install this. The quality is really, really nice. The manufacturer also says that this is a fire retardant material. I absolutely love it. Installation time is about 15 minutes. Super easy, super affordable. Definitely recommend this if you are in the market for a garage door screen. Definitely check this out. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.